Something?
Yeah.
Oh, go on. Go see.
It's got that in, Mommy.
Okay, let's go.
It's better in there.
Go on. Turn on the lights, Daddy. What did he leave? What? Is all that from Santa?
Yeah.
You must have been a really good girl.
The crayons?
Yeah, he put them in there. He knew that's where your crayons were going to go.
Why don't go right there?
He said you could put them wherever you want them, but that's an easel where you get to draw and paint and use chalk.
Look, Lois.
I'm gonna use chalk. I'm gonna go use chalk.
Is that cool?
Yeah.
Did he eat your cookies? Peek and see if he ate your cookies. Did he?
Yeah.
I think he left you a note.
Did he leave you a note?
Yeah.
Tell Daddy to
I'll
read
go
it to
get
you.
it. You want me to get it?